Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 175 or using false certificates. Under Article 175, using false certificates is committed by anyone who shall knowingly use any of the false certificates mentioned in Article 174. Sa article na ito, may tatlong elements upang maging liable ang isang tao. First, a physician or surgeon had issued a false medical certificate or public officer issued a false certificate of merit or service, good conduct, or similar circumstance, or a private person had falsified any of said certificate. So yung physician or surgeon ay nag-issue ng false medical certificate o yung public officer nag-issue ng peking certificate of service, etc. Nadiskusan natin ito sa Article 174. Ito yung pinaparusahan ng Article 174. Second, offender knew that the certificate was fake. Pag hindi niya alam, wala siyang liability. Remember, kung walang criminal intent, hindi siya liable at ito ay malainse crime wherein good faith is a defense. Third, offender used the false medical certificate or certificate of merit or service, etc. Ito yung essence ng crime na ito under Article 175, ang paggamit ng peking medical certificate, certificate of merit, etc. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.